ట్రైలర్ చూశాను, టీజర్స్ చూశాను, and it looks really fun. It looks like a fun, innocent, sweet, family, romantic comedy. Life is Beautiful lo Sudhakar to I worked with him, and he's extremely talented. I'm so happy to see him again in Kundanappu Bomma. And of course Chandini Chowdhury and Sudhir also look extremely talented. It looks like a beautiful combination. I'm sure these three youngsters are gonna rock. I'm a great fan of Keeravani Garu, so a beautiful combination. I'm really looking forward to the film. Vara Garu is a friend, and I've known him as a very talented technician for many years. I'm sure he's made a beautiful film. I'm looking forward to seeing it. Wishing Kundanappu Bomma team all the very best. Vara, you will rock.
కుందనపు బొమ్మ నిజంగా అచ్చంగా మన తెలుగు టైటిల్ లాగా వర గారు ఈ టైటిల్ ఎన్నుకోవడం నిజంగా చాలా సంతోషం. ఎందుకంటే ఇటువంటి టైటిల్ బాపు గారు సినిమాలో చూస్తూ ఉంటాం. నేను యాడ్లు చూశాను, సాంగ్స్